Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make mermaid card using my own mermaid drawing. The card is going to be very busy because, like I say, I'm starting to do busy cards because I want to use a lot of stuff. I don't know if it's a bad thing or a good thing, but I like the splashes coloring this type of cards. I coloring here with my mermaid markers or watercoloring and watercolor paper, and I also use the sparkling spectrum noir markers. After I finish coloring here, I add little holes and I put just a foam very thick, and I use a punch tool to add punches little holes in the hole around, and I add thread the same color of her hair all around her, and I going to stamp the whole set, just the words. I take off the mermaid on the bottom, and I stamp the whole set of stamp in to be my background of the card panel. And in places where I find a little holes, I add hearts or more shells, and I cut scallops lines to glue in the card. I just measuring where I want them, and after that I glue them down. I cut 5 in different pattern color papers, but all in the blue colors, to pretend that this is the ocean where the mermaid is going to be. I'm going to glue her the top part with foam tape, and in the bottom just with glue, and I'm going to put a part of her little fin under one of the waves of the water. After that I'm going to I cut this out of video because to save time for the video not to be that long, I just cut stars and letters to make the word hello. I was trying to make it to look like sea stars, but if you have a die cut with shells or stuff like that, it will be look good too. I placed it in a thread, and I put the thread between her hands. That way she looks like she's holding these stars with the word hello. I glue the middle letter with a glue dot, and I place glue dot under her arms to hold the thread. I add details with my white gel pen, like the scales of the fin and in the hair. I also grab my chalk pastels and add the cheeks a little bit darker and some shadows in the skin. Now I'm going to glue eyelashes. These eyelashes are very tiny, are specific made for small dolls, and I add glossy accent in her eyes. Now I'm making a little star in clay, I am making in orange, and while I'm doing these other mermaid tails, I'm baking my little clay star. I colored these with the Spectrum Noir Sparkle, the way they look with glitter, they have glitter. And I also colored a sun and a dolphin. Now I adding details in the tails with my glitter gel pen in each color of the tails. Now I'm gluing the sun in words that I don't want. I don't want the half a, and I don't want the birthday also, because I can use this card for whatever I want. Not specifically for birthday card. And I'm gluing right now the tails like it's a party in the ocean. I'm gluing the fins of the tails with 2 pieces of foam tape. That way it look dimensional and they don't get squished too much when you melt this. Now adding details in white gel pen and black pen. I cut a piece of paper 6.5, because this is a 6x6 card, but I cut it 6.5 and I fold it half, and there is where I'm going to glue the card panel. Well, this is my card for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next time, goodbye.